To fix a Nintendo Switch that cannot connect to a TV using an AC adapter, several potential causes must be considered, including faulty cables, incorrect TV input, or internal hardware issues. Initially, the cables should be inspected by switching off the Nintendo Switch and TV, disconnecting all cables, and checking for damage or compatibility issues. Any damaged or third-party cables should be replaced with recommended ones. The AC adapter's compatibility should also be verified. After inspecting and replacing cables as needed, they should be reconnected to check if the issue persists. The next step is to check the TV's input by connecting the HDMI cable to both the TV and the Switch. Then pressing the input button on the TV's remote and toggling between the HDMI connections to find the correct one. If the issue remains, resetting the AC adapter may be necessary. This involves switching off the Switch and TV, removing the Switch from its dock, and disconnecting all cables from the TV, Switch, dock, and wall outlet. The AC adapter should be left unplugged for 30 seconds to reset it. After the reset, the AC adapter should be plugged into the console and outlet, and the Switch turned on. The adapter should then be disconnected, plugged into the dock, and the HDMI cable connected to both the dock and TV. Finally, the TV should be turned on, the Switch docked, and the input checked. By following these steps, it should be possible to resolve the connection issue and successfully connect the Nintendo Switch to a TV using an AC adapter.